if you're looking for a cart that fits a TIG welder, especially the Primeweld TIG225, stay tuned, and I'll show you what I just got from Harbor Freight. Girlfriend's gonna love it. Creamy peanut butter. Now that I have my welder from Primeweld, the TIG225, I went online and I wanted to find a cart that would suit this welder perfectly. And I came across this Vulcan at Harbor Freight. I believe it should fit perfectly, and it actually looks like it would be a good cart for TIG welding. Looks like it has some extra features that for a TIG welder would be suited perfectly for that. So let's set it up and see if we can start welding in the next day. All right, well, that was pretty easy. The instructions on the bolts weren't ideal, if you want, but if you use your head, then you can figure it out. I used the drill, but at the lowest torque setting, so I didn't strip any bolts. If the hardware doesn't look the best, so I'm sure if you crank down on the bolts, you'll probably strip them. So you have to be careful about that. Okay, now that we got the cart built, looks pretty solid. So let's see how the TIG225 fits on this. It's supposed to fit nicely. Ooh. To make sure you eat your Wheaties before you. Ooh. Tight fit. All right. Well, it fits perfectly. Any other cart, if it's any smaller than this, it wouldn't fit. No modifications. Fits perfectly. You have access to the back. So let's set all this up. Stinger I'm not going to be using, but I can store it underneath. The adapter, I might need it in the future, but not for now. So under it goes. Oh, all my consumables. Going to be the hose for the gas. gonna leave it here. And now to bring the, it's kind of long. It's perfect. All right, so the cart is great for this TIG225 from Primeweld. If you want to get yourself one, you can go down to your local Harbor Freight or order it online. I picked this up in Florida when I was there. I believe it was like $100 with the discount. Very cheap for a cart that is perfect for a TIG welder. This is actually a perfect cart for a TIG welder. You can hang all your hoses on all the sides. Big, massive welder like this fits on it perfectly. You could even if you have a bit bigger welder, like longer, wider, not much, it would fit. 123 cubic feet tank fits on it. You have a shelf at the bottom to store your accessories, and you have a small little box over here that comes with all the hardware to build the cart, and after you can use it for your consumables. Oh, and I forgot. There's even a little thing in the back where you can put your filler rods, that's actually very handy. That's why I'm pretty sure this cart was made for TIG welders, because I mean there's no other welder that you need to have these long rods. So you have all your consumables, all your filler rods, your consumables, all your hoses hanging off the cart, all in one solution. Once again, thanks to Primeweld for sending me out the welder last week. If you want the cart, it's $100 Harbor Freight. Hit that like button, smash that bell to get future videos of the van build or of me welding. And if you have any questions about the cart, the welder, the truck, or anything, put them in the comments below. I'll link everything that I have here in my description. And it's true, I even have a welding mask that I got from YESWELDER, a Panoramic, that I'm gonna do a future video on, so stay tuned. and I'll see you on the next one.